How to enable or disable auto download attachments in Samsung email on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, open up the Samsung email app. Now from the inbox view, tap on the menu key. Next, tap on the settings icon. In the accounts section, open up your email account. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on auto download attachments. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And it said here, automatically download attachments when connected to a Wi-Fi network. After, tap on the back key to go back to your inbox or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.